Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to make this versatile stacking ring using gold-filled wire. This tiny piece of jewelry has been a bestseller on my Etsy store for a year already. It can be worn every day by itself or stacked with other rings, and you can wear them in any finger you like. Stay tuned for the tutorial. Today I have an order of stacking rings. The lady size is 7.5 USA size, and she wants it to be in rose gold filled. I'm using this chart. It's a contemporary chart that I got it from the internet. I don't know if I should be paying for this. So I'm going to be using 18 gauge wire, and here it says 7.5 size USA. So I should be cutting 58.4 millimeters. So it's 5.8 centimeters. Since it's hammered, I'm going to reduce the length down to 5.5, I think. Okay, so let's keep it in mind. Okay, I'm back here with a ruler and a wire cutter. Now we're gonna take our 18 gauge wire and measure 5.5. 5.5 is here, so 5.8 would be here. So since it's hammered, it's going to stretch. So I think 5.5 would be good. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now. After the wire is cut, next we're going to fork this wire using the mandrel. Okay, I have my ring here. I forgot I have to do it on the left up like this, so when I shave off the edge it can go up here, so it's easier for me. If you are a left-handed, maybe you want to do it reversely. Okay, let's start. See, it shave off really easily. It's not even 1 second. Okay, it's good, I think. Okay, I would like to create a tension between these two edges. That way it stick up together. If there's a lot of gap here, I'm gonna take my flat nose pliers and just let them meet together here. I think it's going fine. Let's see. Yeah, it's doing well. Let me show you what I have here. I'm making a flux solution that is consisted of borax. This is a borax cone that I bought from the supply store, and I've already spread some water here on the dish so it will mix into some sort of slime. And I put on the future ring into the slime, so it will serve as a flux, and hopefully there won't be any fire stain to avoid the oxygen to come in to the ring. So last time when I make a video, my butane torch went dead on me. Now, after a couple of days, I ordered another one that is like the cheapest on the Amazon I can find. Yeah, they're pretty cool, huh? The color, so nice. So we'll see how to work on it. I'll be right back because I don't know how it works. Okay, I just learned it. So this is empty. I just push the ignition button, and if I want to lock it, it's here. So it's going to fire, and if I want to turn it off, you just do this. That's it. Well, I guess I understand now. I want to show you something cool. It has like a window that you can see the level of the gas here. So you enter the gas from here. I didn't video the process because I have to do it on the window. All right, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. From the slime, I move it to the solder block. I don't know if I can talk while soldering because I'm not really expert, you guys, so I'm not sure. I'm going to add some more of the flux here to make sure that it gets like a very thick compound on covering. Yeah, okay. And this is, I've never shown you this, but this is the rose gold paste for the soldering. So what I do, I just push a little bit on the serang. Okay, that is too much, but that's okay. I'm going to apply it on the seam. Okay, and I guess start to fire. Okay, I think this is good here. Since I worry if I can talk or not while I solder, so this is what happened when you solder rose gold filled or any gold filled, yellow gold filled. You cannot point the fire on the part where that doesn't want to be soldered. Okay, you only fire on the part that wants to be soldered, which is here. So you point for a little bit, and then you have to point away, like 50% of the time you fire. Once the solder melts, normally this is what I do. I flip and make sure that the solder flow on the other side too. Okay, I think this is good. I'm taking out my rose gold filled bags. It's a bit green, so I might change it maybe tomorrow. So this is a pickle solution that is quite easy to make at home. Basically, it's a citric acid and water. Okay, so I just leave it in here for a while. I'm using my one and only favorite hammer to hammer this ring. Oh, I forgot to check if the solder is doing fine or not. Okay. Yep, it's good. So we're going to the O. Start hammering. Okay. And while hammering, I'm going to push it down here. It's going to stretch. Also going to loosen the mandrel so I can just twist the mandrel instead of the ring. Push back, hammer, push back, hammer, push back. Okay, I'm almost there here. You see it? Let's see which part of it that is not really hammered yet. Maybe this part. Okay, I don't want to touch the the line completely. I don't know why. So I want to switch it because this part is narrower than this part. So I want to make sure that the ring has the same diameter from up to the bottom. Okay, I'm arrived here, so I don't need to hammer anymore. Okay. All right, that's it. Now it's time to flatten it so that it doesn't look wonky. But I think I'm doing fine here. Let's move it here. This is a very cool tool that I got on the internet. I'll show you. Is that this anvil is modulable. You can install it on your bench. You can take it off whenever you like, and then they give you a slot here so that you can put your bench vise and also the mandrel, which I really like. But this is not my favorite. Let me adjust my camera first. This is not my favorite anvil. Okay, so I have this one that is not yet formed. So I'm just going to show you. Hi. Oops. Okay. Here we are. We arrive on the almost final step. I'm going to harden the ring by just tapping it slowly on the anvil to make sure that it's flat. Okay, I'm lucky here because it's quite flat and there's no problem at all. Okay. That's it. Okay, I'm going to hammer a little bit of this solder. With a Goldfilled, you cannot file the edge because you're going to be shaving off the gold part and it will not have the same color after shaving it. I've tried before, so trust me. All right, the next step is to polish it with the compound. Let's talk about compound. This is the compound that I use. It's ZAM. I bought this from the US at Rio Grande, but I'm sure that if you live in Europe, you can find a supplier somewhere. I have also read somewhere in the forum that Fabuluster, I think it's called that, is also a very good compound to make the rose Goldfilled or any Goldfilled material shines. Okay, let's do it. Let me get my power tool. This is a wool bits that I get from I will tell you about it later, but this is a wool bits that I get from Lidl. Actually, yeah, if you live in Europe, you might know Lidl, and it's super cheap. I think for a lot of pieces of wool bits like this, they sell it for €3 or something like that. But you will get a lot, so it's amazing. Let me get a protection here so my hands will not be dirty all the time. I'm gonna use this old cloth and you see the difference? Okay, I'm going to also polish the inside. Okay, I'm done. That's it, you guys. I'm size 7.5, so it's perfect. Look how cute it is. Oh, my clients is going to be happy, hopefully. Okay, this is it. That's the end of this video. I'm going to turn it off while I make another one. And I hope that you understand what I have just showed you. And don't be discouraged if it's wonky. And the most important thing is to understand the basic, and you can always practice. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I'm done. I'm happy. Look at this ring, so pretty.